Are you guys ready to try the next range test when we go for 40 miles? I am. Let's give it a go.
Captain to Galileo. All systems cleared for takeoff.
I just rebuilt the Shuttlecraft Galileo. Okay, I've got the speedometer set on my pad here as well as on my phone, so we're not gonna, hopefully we're not gonna lose the data this time. If we do, I'll simply concatenate like I did last time, no big deal. Well, the Bluetti's charging like it's supposed to, so we can go on with the test. Okay, we're about to get the range test started. I'm going to use both my onboard phone and my tablet to record the distance, because sometimes that program seems to kick out on me. So I'm hoping that both of them together will work. But anyway, everything set. We've got the EB150 charged up, ready to go. We've got the batteries in Galileo charged up, ready to go. All my 12-volt accessories are running off a separate battery, so that will not make a difference as far as the range test goes, just in case anybody asks that question. Anyway.
There are always alternatives.
Input algorithm not accepted.
Put it on audio. Bring it to the briefing room. Are you ready, Jim? That thing out there was an ionized complete sector.
Power up. All instruments activated. All readings normal. All go.
Captain to Galileo. All systems cleared for takeoff.
Please input command codes. Security authorization accepted. Transfer complete. Proximity alert. Vessel approaching. The vessel is hailing.
We're getting a massive readings I've never seen before.
Affirmative.
Can't use any more. Not to be sure of ignition. Maximum walk.
took a bathroom break. That's the realities of being on the road. Yeah, gotta go to the bathroom. So, and we're gonna take off again and enjoy ourselves.
Diagnostic complete. Sensors are functioning normally.
Well, we've done the first 5 1/3 miles, basically doing the same thing we did last time, only the battery's still showing 40 volts, which was a lot more than it showed last time. So I do believe there was a problem with that. But anyway, it looks like everything's going perfectly good today. So.
Captain, we're losing power on the warp engines.
Okay, we are right at 10 miles. I have engaged the Bluetti, the power center.
Most illogical. Crude methods, but effective. Fascinating.
Lieutenant, turn off that trash and get back to work.
Galileo to Enterprise. Come in, please. And out there, somewhere, 24-foot shuttlecraft, off course, out of control.
Captain, the Columbus has returned from searching quadrant 779X by 534M. Results negative.
The automatic pilot system is not functional.
Try and get me a fix on the Galileo.
anomaly.
Captain, visual detection of an object dead ahead.
Try to beam over a full security squad on my orders. Aye, aye, Captain.
Engine room to Captain Kirk.
Well, this is actually working out pretty well because the power center is on its last bar. It had 5 to start. It's got 1 left, and it's finishing up just as we're hitting 25 miles. So that's perfect. That means I'll have all the juice in the power center to use, as well as what the golf cart had on it. Which the golf cart usually gets 25, so everything we got from here on is
Your Vulcan mind, Spock.
It's whatever the power center is going to
Try to
allow.
beam over a full security squad on my orders.
Yeah, but the battery's at 37.5, so it's not going to last that much longer. So let's see.
Driver's a hopeless pile of junk.
I remind you, Captain, I'm entirely opposed to this delay. The nose off my bridge at the saxophone.
Mileage is currently at 27, and battery's on 36. So I've got a funny feeling that 27 is going to be it.
Officer, choice will be mine.
Any minor damage was overlooked when he put his head together.
Warning. Warp core collapse in 10 seconds.
You must wonder what it would be like to forget all that.
Warning. Warp core collapse in 10 seconds.